Tardes, stallions, ¿cómo están? Today we're going to be working with backwards verbs, gustar and encantar being the most famous backwards verbs of them all. And we're focusing in on using them with third person practice in particular. So that's going to be sentences like he, she likes, they like, you guys like, you, formal like, the third person. So if you look at my screen right here, we have the me is a little choice for the beginning, like me gusta te for te gusta, le for he or she or usted likes. Nos reminds us of nosotros. And it's not a shortcut though. Nos is not simply a shortcut abbreviation word for nosotros. They're actually different words. They're not synonymous. This nos right here, it means us. It's pleasing to us. The enchiladas are pleasing to us. The tacos are pleasing to us. Football pleases us, kind of a thing. And then less would be it's pleasing to them. So with a backwards verb sentence, you're always going to need one of these 5 choices at the beginning. If you remember, we've talked about the personal that we need. We always need a personal at the beginning. And let's just get right into it. I think that's the best thing. And you're going to submit these sentences to me on School Loop, okay? All right. She likes enchiladas. So let's start with a ella, that we've got our personal going on. Ella. She likes, okay, well, that she box is this guy down here, so that's why we're going to choose le. Gusta, not sure about that. What do you think? Should we go with gusta or gustan in this case? So we've got a she here, but we've got plural enchiladas here. So the answer is gustan, okay? And the reason is because backwards verbs are read backwards, right? The sentence order's backwards. The enchiladas are pleasing to her. Watch me read it again, going backwards. The enchiladas are pleasing to her. And so the enchiladas are the subject. Those non-living enchiladas are the subject. She is just the indirect object. So this le matches she. So I'm going to grab my little thing so I can show you that the ea matches up with le. That's what determines that. Then I'm going to grab it again and show you that this n is matching up with this plural s, which of course matches up with this plural S. Okay, super. Let's move on to he loves tacos. So now instead of likes, we're doing loves, still doing he. So a él, accent. Oh, that's not the right accent. A él, le again, because we're doing one guy. Le encanta or le encantan? What do you suppose? Let's look back at the tacos being plural, so then we know our answer is le encantan. Then we have to add a los. Does tacos please him? Does tacos please him? A él le encantan los tacos. A él le encantan los tacos. Lean conmigo, estudiantes. A él le encantan los tacos. And you're going to try to have hardly any air coming out of your T. So I don't want to hear tacos. I want tacos. I want really good pronunciation. Focusing on the N, matching up with this S, matching up with this S, plural, plural, plural going on. Next one, my mom likes chocolate. So we're going to start with a mi. We just learned the word madre last chapter. We can also say mama. You can do it either way, right? A mi mama, a mi madre. I'm going to go with le, because she's just one person. Like is gusta. She likes chocolate. Now, I can't just rush in to put chocolate, bate, chocolate. Can't do that. I've got to insert the. Remember, with backwards verbs, we have to have the correct the. Chocolate's masculine, so we're going to go with el chocolate. Lean conmigo, estudiantes. A mi madre le gusta el chocolate. A mi mamá, oh, the accent disappeared. A mi mamá le gusta el chocolate. The chocolate is pleasing to my mom. My sister likes the salads from, let's shrink this a little bit. My sister likes the salads from CPK. Okay, so we're going to start with personal me. Do you remember air, like the air we breathe, hermana? She's just one girl, so le gusta, gustan. What do you think, stallions? I agree with you. Estoy de acuerdo. Gustan would be the right answer. Las ensaladas de CPK, right? A mi hermana le gustan las ensaladas de CPK. A mi hermana le gustan las ensaladas de CPK. I've got my plural salads going on, so I've got my plural verb. All right, let's move on to my brothers like hamburgers. I have two brothers, Kenny and Michael, so I'm going to talk about both of them. Mis hermanos. And now I'm talking about both of them, so that le that we've been using so much is now not le anymore, but rather it's less. Because now I'm talking about both my brothers behind the back, less, and they're liking, not loving, so I'm going with gusta, but I'm deciding what to put. I'm deciding an N or no N, and I base it off hamburgers. They like hamburgers in general, all types of hamburgers from all types of places, I was going to say homegrown. That doesn't make any sense. Homemade, in and out, the habit, whatever. They haven't met a hamburger they don't like. A mis hermanos les gustan las hamburguesas. A mis hermanos les gustan las hamburguesas. Don't forget your personal for me. All right, Ashley likes sports. Ashley, she's just one girl. Gusta, but I don't think so. Sports are plural. Le gustan. Sports. ¿Cómo se dice sports? Los deportes. Muy bien. Haven't seen that word in a while. But you can see the port matches up with the port in deportes, right? Okay, David likes baseball. David le gusta el béisbol. El béisbol. And then, do you remember me explaining that's not it? That when with sports, with deportes, if there's going to be an accent, it's going to be on the first vowel because sports come number one in a lot of people's lives. And so I'm putting it on the E. A David le gusta el béisbol. A David le gusta el béisbol. A David le gusta el béisbol. Laura and her sister like their English class. They both have the same one and they like it. Okay, so we're going to say a Laura. E. Now here you can put a personal a second personal if you'd like. Don't technically need this second personal I just always like to put it because it's not wrong to put it. So we're going to say a Laura y a su hermana. Now I'm going to choose between le and les. I am going to choose less. That's right, because there's plural sisters. Les gusta. They're in the same English class. It doesn't say they're English classes. They're in the same class. So I'm choosing gusta singular. Okay, and then I'm going to say their English class, su clase de inglés. And then the su, we have been focusing, oh my, look what I just did. We've been focusing on mi, tu, su, nuestro in this chapter. They're called possessive adjectives. And so this su can mean 6 things, stallions. Remember what the 6 are? His, her, its, your, formal, your guys's, their. I think I did all 6 there. So means a lot of things. Let's read the sentence again. A Laura y a su hermana les gusta su clase de inglés. Lowercase, please, for your name of your class, and lowercase for all languages in Spanish. We use lowercase a lot more often. Una vez más, chicos, una vez más. A Laura y a su hermana les gusta su clase de inglés. Gracias. Juan y Pablo like all of their classes. Oh, I should probably stay with one language, huh? Okay, Juan and Pablo like all of their classes. Let's go for it. A Juan y a Pablo. Here's where you wouldn't have to repeat that second personal if you don't want to. And then we're going to go with le or les, chicos. We're going with les because it's 2 individuals. And they're liking, so gusta, but they're liking all their classes. So this as well is going to be plural. Les gustan todas, all, sus clases. Todas sus clases. Todas is the all. So let's look at this todas right here. That's going to match with all. Now, if you notice in English, we put of there. All their classes, all of their classes. We don't have to put the of in English, but we can. Spanish, you may not put the of. Not a possibility. Okay, so I'm not going to put it. And then there matches with sus, plural clases. Lean conmigo, chicos. A Juan y a Pablo les gustan todas sus clases. A Juan y a Pablo les gustan todas sus clases. Tom doesn't like homework. Tom doesn't like homework. Tom, if we want to say his name in Spanish. Oh, but it says it doesn't. He doesn't. So now we're going to need a no. No le gusta. Notice homework is a collective singular noun. So I'm going to go with the singular, la tarea. And this refers to all of homework. Just like in English, we don't tend to say homeworks. we just say homework. Same kind of a situation in Spanish. A Tom or a Tom no le gusta la tarea. A Tom no le gusta la tarea. Okay, and then the next one's going to be, we don't like tacos. We don't like tacos. And so that one's going to be, no nos gustan los tacos. No nos gustan los tacos. Perdón, my volume all of a sudden came on my TV. No nos gustan los tacos. Now, I have not met an individual who could say this, let alone all of us not liking tacos. What's the matter with you guys? What's the matter with you people if you don't like tacos, right? No nos gustan los tacos. Okay. Probably not a sentence anybody's ever actually uttered in life. But okay, we love yogurt. We love yogurt. Now, I'm going to throw in an a nosotros to show you on this one that you don't need to put the a nosotros nos because this is very redundant. So this is just an option you have. So you either start with nos or a nosotros. It's kind of like the a mí is an option. A ti te gusta, a mí me gusta, a nosotros nos. Notice I didn't even bother putting it up on this one. So you don't have to have it. The nos is a dead giveaway that it's talking about. It's a like or a non-like for us. A nosotros nos gusta, I'm going to go with singular, el yogur. Oh, perdón, chicos. Nos gusta el yogur because yogurt is singular, right? And that's the end of that assignment. If you could please send me your 12 oraciones written out like I just modeled for you, that'd be great. I appreciate it. Stallions, adios.